Well, yes, Nancy, we are here at Mumbai's government-run hospital, which is Sion Hospital, also known as the Lokmanya Tilak Hospital, where people in large numbers have gathered, and they are really enthusiastic about the fact that, for people above the age of 45 years can also get themselves inoculated, and that is why we saw a huge, waiting area, a huge crowd of people in the waiting area. So these people at the Sion Hospital, they've divided their waiting areas into three parts. So when a person comes, they can wait there. After getting their token number, then they'll be sent into second waiting area, and then in the main vaccination area they can come. And apart from that, we are also seeing, I'd like to show you the visuals that this is the waiting area where people can sit before the vaccination, and also once they are inoculated, then the waiting area for half an hour is also at the same place. So they are also under observation at the same place where the staff of the Sion Hospital can look after them if they have any complications or not, and after half an hour they may leave, having the choice of choosing when they want to get themselves for the second dose. We have a sir with us. Let's try and talk to him. Sir, पहला डोज है आपका, किस तरीके से आप कहना चाहेंगे कि सभी को आगे आके वैक्सीनेशन लेना चाहिए?
सभी ने लेना चाहिए.
So clearly a message coming out, that everyone should come forward and get themselves inoculated, because this is the way we can save ourselves and also the entire society, especially when the time the second wave is hitting us hard, hitting Maharashtra especially, because day before yesterday or 2 to 3 days back, we did see that the rise in number had gone to a record high of 40,000. Yesterday again, we did see the number touched or crossed 39,000. So yes, the vaccination drive has to be more ramped up, especially now. And Maharashtra government is also having a target of inoculating 4 lakh people every day. Nancy.
Yes, Shama, just getting more inputs from you now. Have all these people who have gathered there in that hall, have they come as per their allotted time, or these people have also come in as a result of walk-ins there at the center?
Well, this is a mixed crowd, and a lot of people are also coming for the second dose. So second dose people are already the ones who have got their scheduled timing, and these people then come to the center and they tell their the entire information. Most of them have also come for their first dose, and they've walked in directly. And these people at the staff, they have the facility where people can come in and do their on-site registration with the help of their Aadhaar card or any other government ID, and then they are told about the entire process. They are made to wait in the waiting area, and here at Sion Hospital they have a target of inoculating 1,000 people every day, because if you see the booths, they have a total of 10 booths over here, and each booth they say they have a capacity of inoculating 100 patients per day, 100 people per day. So if we are to count that is 1,000 people per day easily, but the number gets somewhere between 800, 2,000, and now with the onset of the new category, which is 45 years and up, they are targeting at the aim of inoculating 2,000 people per day. And because of that, they also have to have more manpower. They have to do vaccination things in 2 slots. So they are planning to have in 2 shifts and more manpower to boost up the entire vaccination process.
Absolutely. And just to understand better, Shama, and for the benefit of our viewers, since social distancing and maintaining that physical distance is a very important aspect of protecting yourself against COVID-19, I can see in that hall, people are seated there. What arrangement is being done, what checks are being carried out to make sure that people, they have adequate space between themselves. It's not overcrowded, that hall is not overcrowded. And, as far as vaccine hesitancy is concerned, do people still have any concerns about vaccine hesitancy, and how are those being addressed?
Well, let me start with the last question first, because here people were really enthusiastic about the fact that people above the age of 45 years, without any comorbidities, they can also get their vaccination, and they were really excited. I spoke to many of them, and they were really happy about the fact that Indian vaccine, vaccine made in India, they are getting an opportunity to have that vaccine, and that really makes them proud. Earlier, they were, hesitant of the fact that, vaccination drive is going on, and should they get themselves vaccinated or not. But now they know for the fact that they are the responsible ones, and it is them who has to take this responsibility to protecting not just themselves but the people around. On the question of social distancing, in the morning, because the timing begins at 9 a.m. and before that we had seen a lot of people coming out for the vaccination, so it was a little crowded in the morning, but later on the security personnel and other staff of the hospital, they made sure that the people they were seated in the waiting area, the first waiting area, and the social distancing was maintained very properly there. Apart from that, they also have NGOs with them, who are, the people are deployed to ensure that if people are coming to get vaccinated, they should not be the ones who are infected or they are infecting others. So that is why social distancing is one thing that they have to ensure that happens here, that is practiced here, and that is what you can see over here, that the chairs are, put apart, at a distance of almost 3 feet from each other, and people are sitting in a manner that they cannot come into close contact with each other. So social distancing is definitely maintained. People are wearing their masks throughout. What we can see outside in the crowded areas or bazaars, people are wearing their mask below their nose or below their chin. This is not the case over here. Everyone is responsible over here, and if the fact that these people have come to get themselves vaccinated, which it does mean that they are the responsible ones, and they are behaving responsibly over here. And that is why all COVID appropriate behavior is being followed at this place.
Absolutely. And just more inputs from you, Shama. How is it all working out there at the center? Are the people there who have already got their booking done through the CoWIN app, are they being vaccinated first, or people who are coming by walk-ins? What really is the turn of people there? How is it panning out?
See, many people over here are the ones who are, senior citizens, and the people who are not very well with the technology and everything. So people have taken the help of either their children or grandchildren, and they've registered themselves on the CoWIN portal or the tab that is given on Arogya Setu app. Apart from this, they also have these facilities where the corporators or Nagar Sevaks, they have their help booth, and then these people can go and give their information, and those people, the workers at the booth, helping booth, they help them, these people, with the entire registration process, and so people can have their slots scheduled. Apart from this, like we've already mentioned, many people have just walked in because there was news that they can also walk in and do their on-site registration. So the on-site registration is after 3 p.m. But here, since the crowd was being managed and there are space available, so these people have got them, these people which have come, the people who have come directly, and the on-site registration is also being done after verifying details that they've got with themselves, and then the process of vaccination begins. Also, we know for the fact that now the time the gap between the 2 doses have been increased, so they can choose what they want. The doctors are suggesting over here that they do take it after 8 weeks. So it's on the people what they choose, because we know, in Maharashtra, we are already having 2 vaccines over here, the Covaxin and the Covishield.
Right.
So people can come here, and they know for the fact that, there are government-run hospitals, and also we've covered a nursing home earlier in the day, early in the morning, where, people can go there and pay and then get themselves vaccinated. So we went there also, but the fact that government-run hospitals are giving better facilities, are managing everything very well. The preference of people is government-run centers, and that is why the crowd, what you're seeing, is at the government-run centers, be it Sion Hospital, the BKC Jumbo COVID Vaccination Center, or any other center, because these things, they are more experienced, and that is why people, the Mumbaikars or anywhere in Maharashtra, they know that government would be doing a better job because these people have the experience, and that is why because of the experience, the people are coming here, and they are even after taking the vaccination, they are really of all the applause for these people, for the staff of Sion Hospital or any other government-run center, that the staff is managing the whole situation very well, right from the point where they are coming in the center to the point where they have been given the information that if you are not feeling any complications after the vaccinations, you may leave for your home, and in half an hour's time, we can hear the announcement at this center that those people who have completed their vaccinations time of waiting time of half an hour, they may now leave, and that is how people taking the final token, and they go out at the security, and then they tell the people at the security that they are having no complications,
right,
and now they are about to leave. So the whole process is really streamlined and a good experience for the people who are coming to get themselves vaccinated.
All right, Shama, thanks very much for joining us for the moment and sharing all those details as far as the next phase of COVID-19 vaccination drive that has begun today across the country. You